Platinum rockets past gold and silver. Platinum is turning out to be the secret leader of 2025. I don't own platinum, being honest. I'm going to show you this killer proof eagle while I explain the power of that metal, platinum. Everyone's looking at gold and silver, but platinum just blasted past both. It's the real leader in 2025. After learning this, I'm gonna pick up some platinum. You'll probably see it in the next coming videos. The price is ripped higher than the silver and gold compared to themselves. It's just incredible. It's outpacing gold. It's outpacing silver in percentage gains. And it's not a fluke. Supply of platinum is just razor thin, and demand is quietly exploding. We all hear all this demand for silver. I'm a little nervous to take this out of the plastic case. I'm just going to leave it like this. Yeah, we hear all this demand for silver, of course, but platinum really is one of the rarest metals. It's critical for auto catalysts. It's critical for hydrogen fuel cells. Green tech uses platinum. The world needs it, and mines cannot deliver enough. And that's why this move's so violent, because just like silver, it's an institutional, it's an industrial demand for it. And unlike silver, it's even more scarce. So I look at platinum, the entry point is higher, right? It's not like silver. You're not picking up platinum for $43 an ounce. Entry point's higher. But really, as we're seeing this week, it's outplaying everyone. Gold, look, safe haven, of course. Gold, safe haven. Silver, the torque play. But platinum, it's a dark horse, and it's getting less attention, less liquidity, which means when money flows in, the price reacts instantly. People aren't moving it. That's what I mean by liquidity. People aren't moving it the way they're moving silver, the way they'd move gold. And I really think that's why it's getting this momentum, because money goes in and it stays in. It stays. It doesn't. It's not like silver or gold where people are swapping it out often. It's just a metal that it's a real sleeper in this precious metals market. So don't sleep on it. I mean, 2025 secret leader is not gold. It's not silver. It's actually platinum coming up when no one is watching it. Well, get silver your own. I cannot offer you platinum. I can't, but Money Metals Exchange is sponsoring this channel, and they're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they're holding this. I put a link down below. Check out that contest. Every month they give it away. 20 Eagles. Get yourself 20 American Eagles. Click that down below.